Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you some useful tools in HiTeach 5. What teachers worry about the most in class is if students don't pay attention. So I will show you some tools that can help you capture your students' attention. The first one is pick out. You can pick out one or multiple students from the class randomly. Also, you can set the audio you like for pick out and whether the students already picked can be picked out again. For example, I pick out these two students, and I can ask them to answer my questions or do assignments. Because every student has the chance to be selected, they will be focused in class. Over here is the timer. You can use it to set times to let the students know how much time they have left to do like an assignment or a quiz, or you can use it as a stopwatch to mark down how much time has passed. Down here is the scoreboard. You can use it to give points, deduct points, change the point icon, and you can use it to add group, change the group number. The last one is spotlight. It is in teaching aids. You can change its size or its shapes. And for example, today I'm teaching about guitar. I can use it to focus the students' attention. And if I want to close it, just click the X over here. The above is the introduction of useful tools in HiTeach 5 that can help you capture your students' attention.